Good afternoon everyone. Today I have another 22C collection that I wish to unbox with you guys today. This is still wrapped in box and I have never actually opened this before, so I'm pretty excited. But for this one, I think I will let my boyfriend unbox it for me, just to see what's the difference between him unboxing and me unboxing. Typically he's actually more detail oriented than me. Okay, so I'll leave it up to him. Yeah. Removing the ribbons and the camellia flower. G121. Let me take my NG120 as a comparison. So while he's unboxing, you can see this is the color tone of the other beige color 22C collection. So this is more, it has a more brownish tone with a more milk tea tone to it, whereas it's completely pink. So which beige do you prefer out of these two beiges of 22C? Personally, 22C is my favorite collection, as I typically find a lot of colors that I really like. I'll leave this here. I can leave. It's almost there. So you can see in the background, that's the light beige, and this is it's almost like beige clair, but a bit more less yellow, more toffee and caramel in color. So pretty, right? And you can compare, this is flatter, this is more puffy. Can you see, like 3D wise it's going to puff up more? This is going to be like flat, and it will still have the wrinkles, but this is a cardboard base. Like this is like more structured at the bottom. The bottom of the Pro Crusher is completely flimsy. Okay, so maybe we can open it up to see how it looks like inside. The stickers are still on, so precious. I think Pro Crush is a fun bag, but in the long run this is really structured. So this bag is made in Italy, and we have the inner compartment zip as well. Without a double flap it can fit a lot more, I guess. The chain straps are not adjustable. Yeah, I think there's this natural crease here already, but I mean I just unboxed it and it's already like that, so nothing can be helped. So let's see what fits here. Maybe I'll try fitting in my phone. So this is the iPhone, one pastel coin purse, and a Chanel classic zip flap wallet. So after you fit in, maybe I need to fit in like this. I'm not even sure though. Okay, let me try this way. Okay, I think that's the max. It is pretty much filled already. So if you close it, can we close it properly? Yeah, it's I think it's pretty much, that's about it. It can fit one card holder and one phone, but if you have two phones like me, it's not going to work. And this is the beige square flap, looking pretty cute, and it's really a easy purse, especially if you are just going out for short errands. And I think this is really in a great condition. There's some minor scuffings here, but I mean this is really brand new in box. It's in really nice condition. It's pretty much full, so I think that's about all that you can fit, whereas a rectangular might fit a little bit more in terms of space. But let me know what you think. Do you prefer this like puffier, more 3D quilt? Like, can you look from the side, it puffs up, whereas the Pearl Crush will be flatter. So that's the comparison. This is a square and then is a rectangle there. These are the two different colors from the 22C collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Really loving all my stash. I think I prefer this slightly more over that, although that will look a bit more delicate, a bit more elegant, and a bit more fun. But I think Lambskin definitely requires more babying, right, and caviar. But if I were to carry these two bags out, I think I'll be less worried if I were to carry this as opposed to that. I think that's the end of my video today. Hope you enjoy watching it. Goodbye.